Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro USD for Friday. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, this is the 1 hour chart, hourly chart of Euro USD, and Euro USD showed some good amount of correction yesterday. Right now the pair is standing at 1.0822. This is the current market price. But before moving forward, I would like to show you a news that is dollar steady after Fed's rate pause hints. If you look at the news, then you can see the dollar was steady on Friday near 7-week lows as nervousness over the banking system kept investors skittish and traders absorbed the Federal Reserve's hint of a pause to interest rate hikes. There was a big fall after FOMC when market got the news that yes, the interest rate hikes are about to come to a pause. But more or less the market has absorbed the news right now, and as a result we can see good amount of recovery on the chart of DXY. Earlier on the video of gold, I clearly mentioned that though DXY is showing good recovery right now, but 102.85 to 102.67, this level will be very important for DXY. After making a low of 101.93, though DXY has shown good amount of recovery, but this level will be acting as a big resistance for DXY, and the reason is the Fibonacci retracement level. Here you can see I have derived Fibonacci from both the highs of the market, and I have derived this level of 102.85 and 102.67. so this is a resistance zone for DXY, and right now you can see that DXY is already struggling. And moreover, we have the additional confirmation from the previous support, which is acting as the new resistance for the market. So we have Fibonacci around this area plus previous support acting as resistance. So if you combine both the factors, then yes, dollar will be facing some trouble around this area. If really dollar wants to recover, then it will have to cross 102.90. then only we will get the confirmation that yes, dollar is strong right now, though market has absorbed the information, but yes, things will be difficult. Okay, so now let's have a look at the chart of euro dollar. And my dear friends, keep your one eye on the chart of DXY, because DXY's move will play a big role for Friday. Now this is the hourly time frame of Euro USD. As we all know, my dear friends, that Euro USD was in a clean uptrend, and in my previous videos also we have talked multiple times that trusting the trend line can be very dangerous, because trusting a level, okay, after 4 to 5 times is very dangerous. So as a result, okay, we were skeptical with the trend line, and ultimately we could see that market broke the trend line. So if you're already holding a buy position, that you can be on the trade, no need to exit, because there is a possibility that market may go down further. But if you're looking for fresh opportunity in the market, then I'll say that in this market, okay, in this market you cannot deny that the overall trend of Euro USD is towards the upside. So as a result, considering the overall trend of the market, respecting the overall trend of the market, you should stay on the buy position only. So as a result, we have 1.0772 to 1.0755. This is a buy zone on the chart of Euro USD, or for Friday session, this zone you can also consider as the best buy zone on the chart of Euro dollar. 1.0772 to 1.0755, and the reason is, you can see we have again Fibonacci 38.2% retracement level. Previously, after forming the head and shoulder pattern, when market fell, you can see here market bounced from this particular level. Here means market respected the level. So as a result, we can expect the same, and in comparison to this, Fibo 38.2 is a better level. So if market comes down, then we can definitely expect a bounce of 30 40 pips. If market bounces according to expectation from 1.0772 or 1.076563 level, this particular level, we can definitely go for a buy position. Apart from Fibo 38.2, we can also see that market has taken support around this area previously. Again, if we combine both the factors here, this makes a very good support zone, at least for the Friday trading session. If market does not get crazy during the European session and US session, because nowadays, okay, nowadays market is very unpredictable. So if market remains more or less like this, then you can expect a bounce. This is the first trading opportunity on the chart of euro dollar. Second opportunity that I see on the chart is, as you can see, the market is showing some correction. Okay, so if DXY does not reverse like fully, okay, if DXY does not reverse completely, and if you see a neutral stance on the chart of DXY, if you see a confused state of DXY, then there is a possibility that if EURUSD tries to recover also, market will face some resistance around the trend line. What is the level here? Okay, the level will be around 1.0850. Around this area we have the trend line, which was the previous support. Again, the previous support will be acting as the new resistance. If market reverses, you can also look for a quick selling opportunity. Keep in mind, I'm using the word quick selling opportunity. Okay, so be careful, because this is a market, okay, this is a market which is in overall uptrend right now, and DXY is overall structure is already very weak. We know it very well. So if DXY reverses from here, obviously EURUSD will be showing upside again. So keep your one eye on DXY and take the decision accordingly. Do not be blinded with the levels. Okay, be flexible. Flexibility is a very important trait of a trader. So overall, this is the best support on the chart of EURUSD right now. And today I don't think so market will be too volatile that it will also break the resistance here. I don't think so market will be going that. But yes, we cannot deny that we also have the PMI. So PMI will also bring some volatility. So please be careful during the news. If possible, close down all your US dollar position, because already the market has shown crazy amount of stuff this week. Okay. Okay, so be careful. Okay, and during news, if market shows extreme volatility, do not trust the levels, because as I always say, when fundamentals dominate the market, technicals do not work. If you see a market falling after a particular news, instead of looking for a support, okay, you should look for a resistance so that you can take a sell position. So after news, okay, go with the flow. Okay, go with the flow is the best trading strategy that I have learned so far. Okay, anyways, my dear friends, this is my lesson. I can be wrong as well. So please follow proper risk management. Do your own calculation and your own research. Bye bye. Take care.